If you're a keen cruise fan looking for a new and unusual cruise from a UK port, new line Tradewind Voyages is offering 9 UK-based cruises starting in May 2021. There will be 7 cruises starting from Harwich and 2 starting from Glasgow aboard their new square-rigged sailing ship Golden Horizon, which carries just 272 passengers. After her UK debut, the ship will be heading off to Bali, where it will sail itineraries featuring Indonesia, Australia, Japan and Alaska. You can discover more from the website linked at the end of this clip.